Hey guys, I have had the same hats since 2006. I had them made for me, special and custom by Schinbein, when I worked in a drum shop on the west coast of Canada. I was thinking of ways to have new sounds, vary things up a little bit, right? So I reached out to my good friend Dylan, who owns Red Cymbals here in Melbourne. And I gave him a whole list of things I would like to see in a pair of hats. Just a stupid big old laundry list. It is ridiculous what I sent him. And he made me some hats. They are in this box and we're gonna check them out. Ready? Here we go. First things first, looks like there's some stuff back there. You don't need to see that? Ah, hey, look at that. Dylan's card. 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of it. Ooh. You guys want to get in touch with Red Cymbals? There you go. Man, it's a heavy duty box. Holy cow. Oh. Paper. Hey, what fell out of the bag? That's alright. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, big old sticker. Fantastic. So, I have got paper box. Okay, good. Oh, awkward. Yes. About the weight I was looking for. That's the top. Oh, that's exactly the weight I was after. Yes. Oh, I really like this. So, I had a pair of 15-inch hats made, right? The top is kind of what you might call a medium light, medium thin. Doesn't weigh a whole heck of a lot, but it is nice and very finely lathed. And the hammering is very tight and tidy as well. If you flip it over, you will see it is completely raw on the inside, right? Unlathed, etc., etc. Very, very cool. But you can see the size of the hammer marks. They're also very small, which I love. The bottom hat is kind of the bizarre and interesting one, right? It is much heavier than the top, but it's not really heavy. It's kind of a medium heavy, so to speak. It has the same very precise, very small lathing, small hammering, and it is the same, right? Undone on the inside, lathed on the outside, but you can see the bottom has no bell. I don't know if you saw the video with the China that Dylan and I did together, but I'm a big fan of bell-less things and random unlathed spots.
I love the orange red. Right. It's orange, but it says red.
So, in the immortal words of YouTube's Alex Steele, less yak yak, more whack whack. Anyway, you know what's crazy? This whole time I've been farting around for this 1655, Rufus has been napping. He slept through this whole thing. That kid's a champion. Alrighty, so how good are these hats? These will be available for purchase through redcymbals.com. You can email Dylan and just tell him you want Phil's crazy hats. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, YouTubey. As always, if this is your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. If you like what you see, don't forget to share it, tell everybody you know, tell your periodontist, etc., etc. I'm Phil Schinbein, and I'll see you in the next one.